Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great skid steer in our collection. A pre-owned 2006 Cadillac XLR. This Cadillac is powered by rear-wheel drive V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 42,611 miles. Discover luxury and performance with this stunning 2006 Cadillac XLR. Experience the perfect blend of style and power in this sleek roadster. Low miles, excellent condition, and ready for new adventures. Don't miss out, schedule your test drive today. This pre-owned XLR comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with climate control. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control (ESC). Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.